What is up, man? Fresh off the porch. The box is on the table. As you already seen from the title of the video, I will be unboxing the Garmin Tactix Delta. And I know a lot of you probably like, why do you go with the Delta? Man, I don't know if you already know, but I'm prior military, and this watch just looked the best to me with its stealthed out look. So without further ado, let's just jump into this unboxing, y'all. So let me grab my handy dandy unboxing knife. It's a special occasion, so this calls for a special knife. This knife was given to me when I was on deployment in Afghanistan, and as you can see, it says Afghanistan 2011 to 2012. So, very sharp knife. I need to sharpen those. I don't think I've ever sharpened this knife. But it's a Benchmade knife, so apparently they're high quality, very high quality knives. So, there it is. There it is. Oh. Get this out of the way. We'll need it one more time. As you can see, the Garmin Tactix Delta. "21 days of watch mode, 60 hours of GPS mode, 51mm case size, 1.4-inch display. It weighs 97 grams, so it got a little weight. But so does your boy, so no, I'm just playing. And then it's military tested. So we gotta grab the knife one more time to get this bottom piece off. Boom. There's that. All right, y'all. Let's see. Live unboxing, man. Kind of tough doing this behind the camera. There it is. Holy smokes. All right. So let's see what comes in the box. Set that aside. I know this watch been out for almost a year, y'all. But hey, it's new to me, so the only thing you get is a cord and look like some paperwork inside. Thick little books though, holy smokes. All right, so that's the impressive unboxing process. Now let me get this off real quick and give y'all my initial impressions on look and feel. Garmin Phoenix Tactix has a sapphire lens. Man, these buttons got some nice clicky tactile feedback. Tactix Delta, thermal shock, 100 meters, sapphire, DLC. Looks amazing. Got the quick disconnect bands. I may get some different bands, man, and see how those go off Amazon or eBay. I ain't gonna be paying the Garmin tax just to see what they look like with it. But I'm really digging this all black stealthed out look. As you can see, that's clean. Real clean. So let's get it ready to get its first boot up. Another big reason I decided to go with the sapphire version of the Garmin Fenix 6, edition, was because of I got the Galaxy watch. And as y'all can see, man, this thing, look at that, took some mad scratches on the screen. So I'm really hoping this sapphire stands up, because I had this thing got scratched within like, you know, a month of me owning it. So, and then I also have the active watch. This one's doing good, but you know, it doesn't have the best battery life, if you guys know. So these watches, man, we'll just set these aside. The new king is in town. So I'm gonna get this set up, man, and show you what it looks like on the wrist and tell you guys my initial impressions. Yo, right off the bat, man, the buttons feel smooth. I love the clicky tactile feedback. And I love that this isn't a touchscreen, because I'm always bumping my Samsung Galaxy watch or the Active 2, man. Just touching it by accident, it'll pop on and it'll be calling people, texting, just doing random stuff. Man, I like the quick access to the notifications in the menu. That home screen looks amazing just for the start, but definitely gonna try out some different ones. All right, so watch it set up, as you guys can see. I'm gonna throw it on the wrist, show you what it's looking like. So outside of just getting the watch, you know, for the better screen, the sapphire screen, and you know, the look aspect, I also got the watch, man, just because I as you guys know, I do a lot of running, man. I run quite a bit, so, and I'm hoping next year, or not hoping, but next year I plan on increasing, you know, my run and my mileage, and I want something that's gonna give me better tracking metrics as well as better battery life. And I like the fact that I can store music on this, because I do listen to music when I run. And my longest run so far has been what, over 10 miles, so I'm trying to increase it to 20 plus next year. And I want to jump on that new Garmin plan to get it going. That always on display, I like that. Like that a lot. All right, y'all. So real quick, initial impressions, man. Definitely happy with the build quality of this watch. It looks and feels premium. I love the always on display. The buttons are real nice and tactile. It's very easy to read the screen. And I can't wait to test this out, go for some runs, you know, and just live my active lifestyle and just see how this tracks, you know, everything that I'm doing. Now, if you guys want me to do a more in-depth video, man, just hit me with some questions, comment below, and then that'll help me if I want to decide to make another video on the watch and just go a little bit more in depth on some of the features and settings. I can definitely do that for you. Let me just get some mileage on this first, you know, to get some knowledge, and then that way I can let you guys know my experience. But if you haven't already, man, I'd appreciate it if you guys would hit that like button. If you got any questions, like I said, hit that comment section below, and I'll definitely get back to you guys. And I will catch y'all in the next SWAT Nation video. It's just been a quick unboxing, y'all. Peace.